Hello everyone. FF has just announced its financial results for the fourth quarter and full year of 2025. First, and most importantly, the company has turned net assets from negative to positive. In other words, FF has crossed a critical financial survival threshold. Second, our robotics business exceeded its target in its first delivery month and achieved positive gross margin on products. We believe that FF, as the first US company to deliver both humanoid robots and biomimetic robots, is forming a flywheel effect of devices data brain evolution. Even more importantly, the SEC has officially concluded its investigation into FF with no enforcement action or penalties, removing the single biggest uncertainty over the company's future. With that behind us, we are now fully pressing ahead with our EAI ecosystem strategy powered by our EAI technology platform. At the same time, we are fully engaging with potential strategic investors and long-term financial investors. We hope this will help FF build momentum this year and take off next year. 2026 Outlook. First, we will continue to promote the scaling of EAI robots and positive gross margin delivery. The cumulative shipment target for EAI robots in 2026 is more than 1,000 units, driving the continuous implementation of 633 industry applications and practical value. Second, by collaborating with research laboratories at top universities in the United States, we will accelerate the development of the EAI brain and open source and open platform, and plan to establish a decentralized and centralized data training center at the headquarters by the third quarter of 2026, gradually achieving skills-related revenue. In addition to devices sales within the year, evolving into a device plus skills data ecosystem-based revenue model. Third, continue to promote the phased delivery of FX Super One and continuously improve product capabilities while achieving stable cash flow. Fourth, regarding capital markets and compliance, the company aims to restore market confidence and achieve long-term steady development, including regaining compliance with Nasdaq's minimum stock price requirement within the 180-day grace period, while actively introducing top global investment institutions and strategic investors, and continuously optimizing financing costs and managing equity dilution. Next, we will move forward with greater consistency and discipline, delivering on our commitments with results, meeting expectations through sustained innovation and execution, and creating value for stockholders to rebuild trust and confidence.